friends, they all notice. And your siblings
Mark,
think it's
regalo
strange
kayo.
that I wanna be
Deo,
with you every
Aljon,
single
Mark,
day for the
Ryan.
rest of our lives. I can't help but feel guilty when I'm taking up your time. So I'll take out my
Mahal kong
old
Gerald,
notebook and
sa
I'll
harap
put
ng
this
Diyos
in
at ng
red.
ating mga mahal sa buhay, ito ang aking
Every single day for the
pinapaalala
rest
sa
of
iyo,
our lives.
aking mga pangako. Ako, bilang iyong asawa ay nanunumpa na sa pang-araw-araw nating buhay, mamahalin kita ng buong puso at walang kondisyon.
Kids can run around and safely fall, but if
Hallelujah. Did you come here of your own free will to find yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
for the rest of our lives.
Today we are gathered together to witness for the wedding of Gerald and Geraldine. We know human beings are always subject to difficulties. Perhaps the most thought of word on the occasion of the wedding for Gerald and Geraldine is the word love. And that is certainly very fitting because it is love which causes them to commit and give themselves to each other for the rest of their lives.
Abigail, Leslie,
Nabawi
Jenny,
lahat ng sakit.
Thank you, Ate.
My son, now is only the beginning of your journey as a couple, and sana ay maging okay, and God bless and congratulations in this vision.
Gerald, did you come here of your own free will to find yourself forever in the love and service of your wife? Yes, Father.
Pinili ka habang buhay.
Ay, salamat. Wow. Wow. Hana, maraming salamat sa regalo mo at appreciated ko. I love you.
Sabay na
Gerald, do you take Geraldine here present for your local wife according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church? Yes, I do. Do you give yourself to him as his wife? Yes, thank you. Do you accept him as your local husband? Yes, thank you.
ko isang ngiti mula sa akin ay tapos ng lahat ng aking
Han,
paghihintay.
sa araw na to, habang nakatayo sa harap ng ating Panginoon, sa harap ng ating pamilya, mga kaibigan, pinapangako ko sa iyo na mamahalin kita hindi lang sa magandang araw, kundi lalo na sa pagsubok na darating. I will love you with all my heart, ngayon at magpakailanman. Ikaw at si Scarlett ang aking buhay, ang aking inspirasyon, at ako'y maghihintay sa bawat araw na tayo harap sa lahat ng hamon sa buhay. Magkasama, sa bawat hakbang ng ating buhay, aalala tayo ng Diyos at magsisilbing gabay sa ating
Buhay